This is the tuning hammer, this is the handle, this is the shank, this is the head, this is the tip. The tip is removable because you can have different size tips. You can see there's two grooves here, right? That's a number 2 tip. This one is only 1 groove. It's a number 1 tip. It's a little bit smaller.
Mine has 2, but it says 5 on it.
Yeah, that would be the degree of the angle. That's the angle between the horizontal and the angle of the hammer. 5 degrees. And that's on the head, right? That 5 is stamped on the head. You can have any size tip here. 2 is the standard. If you want to remove the tip, you've got to undo it. This thing here is called a tip wrench. So it's square at the end, and there's a big size and a little size. What you do is you put it in there. If you wanted to take it off, you got to turn it counterclockwise. But it's tight. You can't do it by hand. So I'll show you how we do it. You put the wrench in so that when the wrench straightens out, it turns the tip counterclockwise, and that's how you loosen it. So now that it's turned counterclockwise, it just comes off. Now, to put it on, you put the wrench in so that when the wrench straightens out, it'll turn it clockwise. So when this wrench straightens out, it's going to tighten it up.